Well, hello and welcome back. Now, in this assignment-based lesson, I want you to take the problem from your 5 Whys assignment and run through the list of questions in the environmental assessment mind map. The goal is to end up with a list of factors that ideally you're going to want to address in the eventual solution to your problem. So please, at this time, open up the mind map template that came with this course and navigate to the sheet shown here. Number 4, environmental assessment. And keep in mind that this process is going to feel clumsy and awkward the first time you run through it, but like many things, the more that you work on something, the more familiar you will become with the process and the more comfortable you're going to be. Success in this lesson is measured when you come up with one or more core considerations that you need to consider in the solution to your problem. Now, it might not be possible to address every such consideration that you come up with in this analysis. So don't worry if you end up generating a long list of such items during this exercise. Once you've answered the questions, please go back through your answers and highlight the key considerations. Now, I used a priority 1 icon to do this, but you can use any mind map icon, label, or element that you wish to. So that's all there is from me in this lesson. When you're ready, you can begin. Please feel free to use the discussion tools to share your results with the class, if you wish, or to ask any questions you may have. And when you've completed the assignment, please join me in the next lesson. And as always, thank you very much for your time.